So I would choose a word that, I would start with choosing a word that perhaps I'm working on with my students, the sound that has a sound that I'm working on with my students. So let's say that I'm working on that short U sound, and I've already taught k and p. So I choose the word cup. I like to have a visual. I like to start with a meaning first. And when possible, I like to have a visual, especially if I'm working with multilingual learners. So I have a cup here, if you could see it. And I would say, this is my cup that I use to drink water every day. Let's say cup. Students would repeat, say cup, and then we would tap it. Let's tap cup, k, up, cup. How many sounds? 3 sounds. The students would say 3 sounds. Now let's push up our chips, k, up, cup. Now if you notice, I like to use that continuous sound, the k, up, cup, just to model that sounding and blending. And then I would ask the students, how do you spell k? And they would pull it down, and they would say C spells k. How do you spell U spells How do you spell p? P spells p. Let's read it. K, up, blend it, cup. Right? If your cup looks like my cup, then we're going to rewrite it, and I would rewrite it. Now, I use this paper that I made. It comes from, and I just put it in plastic. It just comes from the OG program that our county pays for, and then I just added this. But you could use anything. You could draw on your kidney table, some boxes. You could use a whiteboard. It really doesn't matter. You don't need anything special, and that's one of the things I like about this. I like about this method of working on helping students hear the sound, practice that phoneme awareness, and tying it to the grapheme. So now let's say that I've gone through the same procedure that I showed you with cup, and we've written 3 words. That was my target today. So I would then go back and we would read each word. Okay, let's read each word. Cup, put, tub. And I would have students point as they are reading.